Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. A te māri e tamariki mā.
A te māri e mātua whaitiri.
Mauri ora. Oh, ka pai, kia ora. Well, whānau, we're going to get stuck into our session today. This is the 20th episode. What a milestone to reach, 20 episodes. Thought it was pretty special when we started, and then when we hit 10, and now we're hitting 20. So it's all a little bit exciting for us here in the Potawa household this morning. So we'll get underway with our karakia. Here we go. Kia hora te marino. We're going to try it a little bit differently today. Instead of doing the repeat, we're just going to do it twice together. Okay? Here we go. Toru, fa. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te kārohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Work. So let's try that one more time. Toru, fa. Kia hora te marino. Kia whakapapa pounamu te moana. Kia tere te kārohirohi. I mua i tō huarahi. Tihei mauri ora. Kia ora whānau. Ka pai. Over the last couple of days, we've been looking at kiwaha, and the three that we've made a start on. The first one, karawhiua. Karawhiua, said with some emphasis, is all about giving it a go and giving it heaps. And it's an encouragement at the beginning of an activity. The next two kiwaha that we have is kawanike and kamautewehi. Kawanike and kamautewehi are encouragements after something has been achieved. Kapa. So it's a way of describing something's been fantastic or awesome. That's kamautewehi. And kawanike, need, all right. Kapa. So those are the three. I'll try and use as many as I can today. But I also want you to be using these three at home, in and around the household, when you're out in the community, out on your walks, all that beautiful stuff that you guys are doing. Start to use our kiwaha. Kapa. So here we go. Let's warm up this morning. We're going straight into pakeke mai o mati mati. Now, you won't see my feet down here because of the way the camera's set up, but waiwaiwhiua ki te taha literally means throw your legs out to the side. Kapai? So here we go. Pakeke mai o mati mati. Waiwaiwhiua ki te taha.
Throw your legs out to the side.
Takahuri, takahuri, ko wiri wiri.
Takahuri, ko wiri wiri.
A kani, kani, tati nana.
Kani, tati nana.
Hey ha! Hey ha! Hey ha! Paki, paki. Ka pai whānau. Let's have a look now at our mahunga pakahiwi puku hope waiwai me timata tātou tōru whā. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Mahunga pakihiwi puku hope waiwai. Tāringa whātu I hua hae. Kia ora. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Let's have a look. Yesterday we took out all of the W words. Today, let's take out every second. Yeah. Let's take out pakahiwi, hope, taringa, and ihu. No pakihiwi, no hope, no taringa, no ihu. Tōru whā. Mahunga puku waiwai. Mahunga puku waiwai. Mahunga puku waiwai. Whātu wahai. Ka wanike. mai ngā iwi toru whā. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia papatahi, kia kotahira, tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou, puriti aki a mau, he au e hu. Mauri ora. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, a lovely waiata for us. Oh, that's not tūtira mai ngā iwi. What happened there? Oh, the mouse. Are they playing with the mouse, babe? Switch it off. The kids were playing with the mouse at the table. So, tūtira mai ngā iwi, a lovely waiata for us. And you know what? It absolutely, 100%, it fits into the Anzac Day theme of the week. Yeah? Of course it does. So I'm going to play it on the rakuraku this time, and I want you to sing along with me. And if you can remember some of those beautiful actions, please give them a go. Here we go, whānau. Opa! Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtira mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Whai o te maramatanga, me te aroha e ngā iwi, kia papatahi, kia kotahira, tātou tātou e. Tātou tātou, puriti aki a mau, he au e hi. Mauri ora. Feel that wairua fill up your household as you crank out one of those beautiful classics of a song. Well done, whānau. Ka pai. Pūrea nei, another one of our lovely favourites. Here we go, whānau. Twice this morning. Once actions with me, a little bit slower than normal pace, and then we'll kick into it with the actions at full pace. Here we go. Ki raro, hope. Pūrea nei, toru, whā. Pūrea nei, e te hau. Horoia to the right. Horoia, e te ua. E te ua. 4 flicks, right. Fiti, fitia. Clap and right. E te rā. 2 scoops on the right first. Mahea ke ngā. Down to the hips. Poraruraru. Double clap, right hand forward. Makere ana ngahere. Ka pai. Pūrea nei. Let's jump into it. A little bit of a smile. Some good energy in this waiata. Here we go. Ki raro. Hope. Pūrea nei. Toru. Whā. Pūrea nei. E te hau. Horoia. E te ua. Fiti, fitia. E te rā. Mahea ke ngā. Poraruraru. Makere ana ngahere. Makere ana ngahere. Mauri ora. Beautiful waiata, eh? From the same composer that leads us to Pūrere Hua. And today we're going to poi to pūrerehua. So if you want to take this chance to quickly grab your poi, here's one I prepared earlier. I'm going to go with my my black and red one. Pūrerehua. We're all pretty familiar with that first page, so I'm going to switch us to page 2. Okay, so those words are going to be there to help you along. Kiraro, hope, poi karite. That means get your poi ready. Here we go. Pūrerehua toru wha. Pūrerehua rereru ngā hau. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka tau runga pua oi. Ka whānau hua a pūrerehua. Ka tahi ka rua ka toru ka pā. Ka ru, ka re, ka puta e whawhe anō. Pūrerehua rereru ngā hau. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Ka piki runga raua e. Papaki parirau rereru ngā hau. Mauri ora. Ka mau te wehi tamariki mau. Well done.
Mama, two bows.
Karanga mai. This is one of our favourite. I know. Angus, you don't have to tell me. I already know. One of the favourites. So here we go, whānau. Kiraro. Hope. Karanga mai. Toru wha. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu. Kori. He manu fia. Piwai waka e. You know what's coming up, don't you? That's right. For our new members, this one here, Waiata Kani, this gets super fast real quick. So keep up. Do your best. Here we go. Kiraro. Hope. Toru wha. Karanga mai. Piwai waka e. Tuki mai. Piwai waka e. He manu kori. He manu fio. Piwai waka e. Woo! Kapa. Good work. Ka wanike. Tihe mauri ora. Twice today. First time tihe mauri ora, you and I will actions together. And then second time, I'll jump on the raku. Here we go, whānau. Toru wha. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia. Tua ke manakitia. Ngā iwi kia orara. Ka pai. Ready for some actions on your own while I play the raku? Yeah, I think you're ready. Play it in A. Tarupa! Tihe mauri ora. Tihe mauri ora. Ngā iwi o te motu e. Tua ke karangatia. Tua ke mana glad you enjoyed it. It's a welcoming song, so it's really important that when we are singing Ti Hei Mauri Ora, that we have that beautiful welcoming face, yeah? So that everybody feels welcome to enjoy in your hospitality. Ka pai. Let's have a kōrero now about our next waiata. What are we having a look at? E re taku poi. You going to poi with me, bro? Okay, here we go. Might jump ship on the poi and go with my bluey, old bluey. Here we go. E re taku poi toru wha. E re taku poi, e re taku poi kirunga. Kirunga. E re taku poi, e re taku poi kiraro. Kiraro. E re runga, e re raro, e re roto, e re waho, e re taku poi, e re taku poi kirunga. Kiraro, kiroto, kiwaho e. Oh, waiata poi. We had another poi song this morning. This one is called Poi Poi, yeah. So lovely waiata. It's a doozy, eh, son? Are you ready?
4.
Great. Make sure you're holding on to your poi. If you've got a fiore or a tail at the end of your poi, just remember that's not the handle. And we're holding the poi in the hand that we write with. So here we go, whānau. Poi poi e, toru, wha. Poi poi e, poi poi e, re atu poi poi e, poi poi e, poi poi e, re atu poi poi e, ti patu a, ti patu mai, re atu ti patu mai, ti patu a, ti patu mai. Re atu ti patu mai. Aue, hey, hey, ha. Aue, hey, hey, ha. Aue, hey, hey, ha. Aue, hey, hey, ha. Give yourselves a round of applause. That was wonderful. Wonderful poi this morning. Well done. Oh. Lovely. This waiata is Rona. It follows a really important story, I guess, to us in the Māori culture, but for all of us to enjoy. And this is a waiata that goes with that song, with that story. Okay? So we're going to do it twice again. First time, I'm going to sing it a little bit slower than normal, and you can come slow with me. And then we'll sing it at full pace, and I might even jump on the guitar for that one, just depending on how you're feeling with the actions. Kapa, you ready, whānau? Should we make a start? Okay, sort yourself out. Here we go. Ki raro. Ope. Toru. Wha. Tā koto ana au I te moenga uri tūake au. Titiro ki te atarau, kairungara, te marama e whiti ana kai he arona, kairungara, piri ki te taha, piri ki te ngai o auera, e rona e auera. So let's get a show of hands. Hands up if you would like me to keep doing the actions. Okay. And hands up who wants me to jump on the guitar.
Me.
Okay, the guitars have it. Well done. Here we go.
No, I did an extra one.
I love this song. Time flurry off the triple dip there. Kia ora. Judd and I both got a little bit carried away with the ending of that one, didn't we, son? Woo! It's good energy. Good energy.
What the trees on?
Here we go, whānau. Hoki hoki tonu mai. Let's go through with our actions. Toru wha. Hoki hoki tonu mai. Te wairua o te tau. Ki te awhireina. Ki tēnei kirie. Ki tēnei kirie. Ka pinei a koe e au. Ki te pine o te aroha. Ki te pine e kore nei. E wai kura e. E wai kura e. Here we go. Hoki hoki toru wha. Hoki hoki tonu mai. Te wairua o te tau. Ki te awhireina. Ki tēnei kirie. Ki tēnei kirie. Ka pinei a koe au. Ki te pine o te aroha. Ki te pine kore nei. E wai kura e. E wai kura tahiru a toru wha. He au e hi. Kia ora. Well done. Beautiful. So, let's have a look now. Tēnā koutou, we'll do this one once. Don't forget when we get to the part in the blue, that's where we sing together. Kua rongo ki au, kua rongo ki au, kua rongo ki au. And then right at the end, koutou katoa. You ready? Toru wha. Tēnā koutou, e hoa mā. Kua tai mai nei, I tēnei wā. Ro reira rā, e hoa mā. Kia ora rā, koutou katoa. Kua rongo hoki a hau, kua rongo hoki a hau, kua rongo hoki a hau, kei te haere mai koutou, no reira rā, e hoa mā, kia ora rā, koutou katoa. Too good. Too good, whānau. So moving into our 4 Anzac Day themed items. Pōataro, Pāmai, National Anthem, Ode of Remembrance. Here we go. Hope, Pōataro, Toru, Wha. Pōataro, e moia I hone, e haere ana koe ki pāmama. Haere rā, ka hoki mai anō, ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Ki te tau e tangi atu nei. Pōataro. Pōataro. Boy. Ka mau te wehi. Fantastic. Let's have a look now at our next one. This is Pāmai. Ki raro. Hope. With the right hand, toru, wha. Pāmai, tore aroha, ki te pā, ore mutaka. E ngā iwi. mai, haere mai. Titiro ki ngā haia, kua wehe nei. Aue. Aue te aroha me te mamai. E ngā iwi. E ngā iwi o Aotearoa. Kia kaha. Kia kaha, kia manawa nui. Kia kaha, kia kaha, kia manawa kahirua toruwha. Hia uehi. Beautiful. Te atahua hoki. Well done, whānau. And let's jump straight into the national anthem. Waiata that needs no introduction, no prompting whatsoever. You're singing it so beautifully. And what I enjoy the most about listening to you waiata your national anthem in te reo Māori is your pronunciation is so clean. So thank you so much. Here we go, whānau. Toru wha. E ihoa atua o ngā iwi mātura a ta whakarongona me aroha noa kia hua ko te pai kia tautoa ta whai mana ki tia mai o te aroa. Too good. Too good, guys. Really. That was awesome. Whew. Again, the Ode of Remembrance will be part of the live broadcast at 6 a.m. on Saturday morning. And you'll hear them start to read through. And then you'll come down to you'll hear them read the final line. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. And that's your cue to repeat that line. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Now, this is a really important line for us, so we are going to break it down really quickly today. After me, please. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Kia ora, kia ora. Ka maumahara tonu, ka maumahara tonu, tātou ki a rātou. Tātou ki a rātou. Kia ora. I'll read it. When I get down to the final line, I'll gesture to you to prepare you to come in for your part, yeah? Here we go. E kore rātou e kaumātua tia, pēnei ia tātou kua mahue nei. E kore hoki rātou e ngoi kore. Ahako pēhia i ngā āhuatanga o te wā. I te hekenga o te ata. I tainua ki te aranga mai i te ata. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Ka maumahara tonu tātou ki a rātou. Ka pai whānau. Beautiful. It's going to be a different kind of Anzac day, but I think it's something really special for us to be a part of. So that's really cool. If I can just quickly jump back. Hey, Jaja! Are you handy? Yeah. Well, come on then, bro.
What are we doing?
Should we do Rako? Just do a couple of quick moves. Go, bye. Sticking with our 20th episode anniversary. Call it an anniversary, our 20th episode. Let's do this. Let's do a couple of titi torea moves, and then we'll finish off with the haka, eh? But when we get to the haka, we won't do a warm up run through. We'll just jump straight into it. Kapa. Oh, is Ivy doing rako this morning?
I think she wants to.
Okay.
But they only do us.
All right. Haramai ki tēnei taha, Chacha. All right. What should we go with? Should we go with start off with a boom, touch, touch? Here we go. Boom. Oh, yours is in the wrong hand. Here we go. Touch, touch. Toru. Rua. Tahi. Kia mau. Kapai. So should we try that into the throw now? Boom, chick, throw right, throw left.
That's the easy.
Yeah. Toru. Fa. Oh. Straight away into the next one, yeah? Toru. Fa. Oh. Okay, black one first. Right and left. Toru. Fa. Boom, chick, right, left. Boom, chick, right. Oh, change it over. Start again with the right. Boom, chick, right. Oh, here you go, one more. Boom, chick, right. Oh man, you're all over the place today. Hey? Should we go with the boom, chick, slap, grab, eh?
Come on.
Yeah, here we go. Boom, chick, slap, grab. Boom, chick, slap, grab. Slow down, you're going too fast for me. And last one. Kapa, what about an inside-outside throw? Should we go inside-outside? Let's do it.
I'm going outside.
Yeah. Toru, fa. Yeah, lost your beat. Toru, fa. One more. Kapa. Awesome work, bud. Happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want to do haka? Finish off with a haka?
No.
Go on then, buddy. You too.
I'm just gonna lie on the floor.
You're going to lie on the floor. Alright. So here we go, whānau. This is our haka for today. Don't forget that the haka is a haka for young people, encouraging young people to embrace the skills and the knowledge that they need to be our future leaders. Absolutely. To be our leaders of tomorrow. So here we go. Let me just set him up. Here too, son, so we can see you. Okay. Well, we've lost Daddy, so that's all good.
No, I was not.
Oh, you're back. Okay, you're over here, bud. Here we go. Get up. You right, darling? Get up. Come on. Da na ti da ha ti da ha ti da ha heta 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 gamaya gamaya heta heta gamaya
Gamaya.
heka kana ruia mai irangia te
Papa kitita.
Titaha! Titaha! Uhia! 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 Tekaha! Tekaha! Uhia! Uhia! Tekaha! Tekaha! Kati! Rangatira! Papa! Awehi! Get
On
on!
the couch.
Oh boy. Well, whānau, thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Our 20th episode. Like I said, man, for as long as the lockdown runs, we will commit to bringing you Kapa Haka for Kids every day at 11 o'clock. Hopefully for half an hour. Sometimes we run over time, but it's all good. So, from my whānau to your whānau, Mauri ora.